Hello everyone, I'm White Cow. Nice to meet you. Today I will introduce how to migrate from the password management tool KeePass to KeePassXC. KeePass is a convenient software that automatically enters your ID and password on the login screen, and it can be easily introduced, even by first-timers. I hope you will watch until the end on this occasion. However, before starting the migration, I will explain the main differences between KeePass and KeePassXC. Because it's hard to convey everything just by talking, I will also include supplementary information in the video. KeePass is a free and open-source password manager originally developed for Windows and has been used by many users over the years. KeePass maintains the classic style of Windows applications, offering high customizability and extensibility, especially regarding technical details. KeePassXC adopts a modern and contemporary design, focusing on cross-platform compatibility and ease of use. KeePass offers a very high degree of extensibility through plugins, allowing for numerous additional functions beyond the basic password management features through plugins. KeePassXC takes a ready-to-use out-of-the-box approach with many convenient features included from the start. Both KeePass and KeePassXC employ advanced encryption technologies designed to securely protect user data. These encryption methods are considered extremely difficult to breach with modern computers, allowing for the safe storage of passwords and other sensitive information. With this explanation in mind, let's proceed to actually install KeePassXC. Here I will introduce the installation and configuration for the Windows version. The installation process is very simple. Just double-click the downloaded file to run it. There aren't many installation options, and settings can be configured after launching the software later. The installation is now complete. I have a large number of site login details stored in KeePass, which I have been using for many years. I will export these so that they can be used in KeePassXC. The format used was KeePass version 1.x. This format is valid for importing into KeePassXC. Now that I have exported the file, I will import it into KeePassXC to proceed with the migration. However, I realized that I was unable to record the video. I also couldn't take screenshots. One possible cause of this issue could be the security features. Therefore, I decided to start a Windows virtual machine and record this virtual machine instead. There might be other methods available, but this time I chose this approach to circumvent the restrictions of the host system. Despite facing some troubles, I will now import the previously mentioned file. The password you enter here should be the same as the one used with KeePass. This will make the listed login information available for use in KeePassXC. You will decide on a name for the database to be used in KeePassXC. Security-related settings can be changed later, so we will proceed with the default settings for now. Here, you will enter the database credentials for KeePassXC. If you are starting anew, you should first create a database. For first-time users, you will then proceed to enter your site login information. The import is now complete. To automatically fill in your ID and password in a browser, You also need to configure your browser settings. It might be a bit cumbersome, but it's possible to set up autofilling with these settings. So let's give it a try. First, navigate to the login screen. Here you will execute autofilling with KeePassXC. Find the desired site in the list and right-click on it. Next, we will add an extension to the browser to make it even more convenient to use. In this video, we will add an extension to Edge and verify its operation. You can find it by searching for KeePassXC. KeePassXC-Browser fits the bill. We will add this feature, and the main functions of KeePassXC-Browser are shown in the video. Please wait a moment as I will introduce how to add existing login information among these features. Managing existing login information with KeePassXC is very convenient for many users and can be considered one of the main uses of this tool. I will also show you how to display and configure the installed extension in the toolbar. It seems that the browser integration feature was not enabled, so I will enable it in KeePassXC. The browser integration feature of KeePassXC works by pairing with the browser extension. In this video, we are demonstrating how to pair with the KeePassXC database by following the instructions displayed. As part of the pairing process, assigning a unique connection name to KeePassXC and the browser extension is required. With that, the setup is complete. Let's do a practical test. To verify its functionality, we'll create new entries with existing login information for testing. Enter the title, ID, password, and URL, making sure to input the exact address of the website you want to auto-log into in the URL field. Restarting the browser after closing it may be necessary to properly reflect changes or updates in settings. A subtly useful feature is the fetching of favicons. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.